What's up guys, how to fix collider issue when rotated, and now if object is inside. Subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Here we see that the blue zone is the collider, the red zone is our object. Now we will look at the problem with an example. Our task is to create objects inside the zone. Everything works well. Objects are created internally. When an object rotates, what happens is not what we want to see. Add a visual collider. Now let's write a script to check the correct object occurrence. Now let's also fix the logic of creating object inside. Great, now everything is created correctly, with any rotation of the object. Thank you for watching guys, see you later in the next video.